Hello, it's Jim from TechBuzz. Another video today, and today we've got another brand new product. So we just keep delivering here at TechBuzz Ireland, and it is from Instax Fujifilm. What is it? Let's have a look in the box and give you some clue. So we've got these new films here, sheets, Instax wide black, all the same as you can see there. And in the bag we have got the all new Insta Link Wide. So we're going to give you a quick first look on unboxing of the device today to let you see what it's all about, and then we'll have a review soon. So of course, as usual, any questions, drop them in below. So this is ash white, so you can enhance quality prints, compact and light body, editable templates, QR print mode, and Instalink Wide app. So you have the app on Android and Apple, and you can record sound, you can link to a website, location print, and put a hidden message. So you might remember from before, there was the option to put message in and you scan a QR code on your phone with the pictures, and that's being brought forward here again today, which is really cool. And people are starting to use QR codes more, and it's good to see that Instax are one of those people. So let's get straight into it and not hold you up. So let's see what we have here. You have got this plastic guy. See what that is in a minute. You've got micro USB, I said, yeah, and you've got USB-A, and in here there appears to be another little thing which looks like a lanyard. So you have a lanyard inside there, and let's keep going. We have got our books. So this is an idea here of what the page is going to look like. This is the sheets here, so why not just open one of these now anyway and show you what it looks like, because we're going to be using it anyway. That's what we do at techbuzzern.com. You see the products we review, not just stock images. So you have that there, and you get this here, and this is your user guide here and all that kind of jazz. Fairly thick one of that as well. Okie dokie. So if you're familiar with Instax products, you get cartridges. This is what it looks like here, just to show you. That's it there, and we will get into the main product now. And there we go. So this is what it looks like here. So you've got your USB port on the back. Nice feel to this as well. It's got a kind of a matte finish. That's the button by the sound of it, and it's got Intex branding. So your picture's going to pop out there by the looks of things, and in here is your holder, and Instax Link Wide on the side, and your lanyard strap holders there. Let's open this up here. So that's what it's going to look like inside, and of course with all of Instax products you have the yellow line marker there to put this in, to let you know it's in the right way around, so you don't jam anything around like that. And that's what that looks like there. So I'm going to close that up quickly, and as usual the first one will pop out. So now this is ready to use, so you're going to have to download the app and all that kind of stuff and get to it. So we're going to get all that. We're going to get the app downloaded. We're going to get snapping with some pictures, and we'll come back with a review in the next couple of days or a week or so and let you know how we find it. And of course, do stay tuned for that full review on techbuzzern.com and show you how the app works and all that kind of stuff. And if there's any problems, please feel free to hit us up below in the comments, but we'll answer everything as we normally do. But it's a nice little product, and you're getting a bigger picture here, pun intended, than you would off the smaller cameras, and that's what it's going to be. So you've seen what it can do, which I really like the idea, which again is on the side of the box. You can link to your website, you can record sound, location, print, and you can have a little thank you message hidden there as well, whatever you want to do with that yourself. So it's a nice idea, and yeah, you'll have the app, we'll have all that done soon, and we'll show you how it all works and all that kind of stuff, and what kind of quality pictures come out and so on. It says here approximately 50 seconds for development time, or 90 seconds, so that's what you would expect anyway from such cameras. So stay tuned for a full review soon. techbuzzrun.com, and don't forget, any questions, hit them up in the comments and we'll ask them. We'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.